Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to connect gap to Python and hope possibly get all the information related to the nodes. First of all, we're going to open up the open server and then we connect to it. And once we get our connection, now it's time to import the gap utilities that we have built. From the gap utilities, we can assume multiple pressure separators in order to get multiple separator pressure iteration at the same time, which is going to be extended beyond the gap capability. We will open a for loop to apply those pressure and range. Once those pressures are injected into the software, then we can do a get all node details. So this will return all the details related to the nodes. We can convert them into a data frame or a table, and we can save all the tables that are related to those pressure iterations. We will give it a run, and then we will wait for the gap to do its thing and possibly finish up the simulation. Once the simulation finishes up, you can just go ahead using Plotly. You can just plot all the variables that are related to this sensitivity analysis, which is going to be the pressures of the separator per iteration plus the node pressure that we are trying to solve. And of course, we are going to color it using the labels of those nodes. If you want, you can also view it as a separate data table. And of course, you can just filter based on any criteria. Thank you for watching us.